Hello everybody and welcome back to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there's some math and your challenge is to figure out what that math is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got it, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, I'm going to start with a 0. So for 0 we get 2. How about a 1? Oh, so 1 gives us some long decimal there. It looks like a repeating decimal. How about 2? And we get another, what looks like another repeating decimal. How about 3? Aha, okay. I think I see what's going on. Let me just try some negative points here. So -1. Yeah, so I think this is a linear function. I think this is a line, and it's got a very shallow slope. And the trick here, I mean, we've got the y-intercept. You know, in the formula for a line, we've got y equals mx plus b. And that plus b, that's your y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. We've got that right here. We put in a 0 for x, we get 2. So our b is 2. The only question then is, what is this m? What is the slope of the line? And it might be a little tricky to recognize. Maybe recognize these repeating decimals, the 0.090909 and the 0.181818. I think it's a line and not a curve because it looks like it's going up by the same amount every time. And it does, you know, you can eyeball that pretty easily too. I think if these decimals, if you're not sure what to make of them, you might experiment by putting points further out and seeing if we get any whole numbers, you know, somewhere further along the way. So I'm going to put in, I don't know, let's put in a 9, for example. So there we're almost at 3. Let's put in a 10. Oh, we're almost at 3 there. Again, a little closer. Let's put in 11. Yeah, and 11 gets us to 3. So now we actually have 2 points right on the hash marks that we could use. We've got this point, which is the point 0, 2. So 0, 2 right there. And then we've got, well, it didn't graph it, of course, because it's 11, 3, but we've got 11, 3. And the slope is going to be the difference in the y, so 11 minus 2, over the difference in the x. Whoops. Sorry, 3 minus 2, difference in the y, over the difference in the x, 11 minus 0. 3 minus 2 is 1, 11 minus 0, of course, is 11, and there is our multiplier, 1/11th. Maybe you recognize this 0.0909 repeating as 1/11th, or maybe you didn't. That's okay. We have another way to find it out. So there's our slope, 1/11th x plus 2. And you could verify that for yourself by putting in some other numbers and trying them out. But I think we've got it. I'm going to go ahead and reveal. And there it is. F of x equals 1/11th x plus 2. And we'll graph that. A very shallow, positive, upward sloping line. Well, how'd that go? Did you catch that this was a linear function? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.